It's an interesting and somewhat unsettling question. Will AI make us lazy? As artificial intelligence integrates more deeply into our daily lives, we are witnessing unprecedented convenience. From AI tools that write essays and create art, to personal assistants that automate tasks like scheduling and shopping, AI is taking over duties that used to require significant human effort. It's no secret that this level of convenience is seductive, but it also raises serious concerns about the potential consequences for humanity. Are we outsourcing so much of our cognitive and physical labor that we risk becoming overly dependent on technology? Historically, every major technological advancement has sparked similar debates. When calculators became widespread, people worried we'd lose basic math skills. When GPS devices came along, they feared we'd forget how to navigate. But AI is different. It's not just a tool we use, it's becoming a decision maker, a partner in our daily routines, and in many cases, a substitute for skills we once honed. The question is, what happens when technology does so much for us that we forget how to do it ourselves? Could this reliance lead to a society less resilient, less adaptive, and less capable of independent thought? Education is a prime example of this phenomenon. With AI tools like ChatGPT and others capable of writing essays, solving math problems, and even generating ideas, the process of learning itself is undergoing a transformation. On the one hand, these tools can help students understand concepts faster and complete assignments more efficiently. But on the other hand, are they truly learning, or are they merely inputting commands and receiving answers? Education has always been about struggle and discovery, about developing critical thinking and problem-solving skills. If those elements are stripped away by AI convenience, what does that mean for the next generation? Will we raise a generation that knows how to ask AI for answers, but lacks the ability to find those answers independently? The same concerns extend to creativity. If AI can generate art, music, and literature, will we stop nurturing human creativity? Or could it be that AI becomes a collaborator, inspiring humans to push creative boundaries further than ever before? The workplace is another arena where AI is transforming how we operate. From automating repetitive tasks like data entry and customer service to analyzing complex datasets and even brainstorming new strategies, AI is reshaping industries at an incredible pace. In many ways, this is liberating. It frees up human workers to focus on high-level, strategic tasks rather than getting bogged down in the mundane. But what happens if the balance tips too far? What if we automate so much that we lose the skills and knowledge to perform those tasks ourselves? The danger lies in over-reliance. If an AI system fails or produces incorrect results, will humans be equipped to step in and fix the problem? Or will we be so dependent that we're unable to function without the AI systems we've built? Moreover, there's a deeper psychological impact to consider. Work gives people a sense of purpose and achievement. If AI takes over too much, will we feel less fulfilled in our professional lives, leading to greater societal issues like disconnection and apathy? Of course, it's not all doom and gloom. AI has the potential to empower humanity in extraordinary ways. By taking over tedious and time-consuming tasks, AI gives us more time to focus on what truly matters, whether that's spending quality time with loved ones, pursuing personal passions, or tackling some of the world's most pressing challenges. Imagine a world where doctors and researchers use AI to develop cures for diseases faster, where environmental scientists harness AI to combat climate change, and where teachers leverage AI to provide personalized education to every student, regardless of their background. In this context, AI isn't making us lazy. It's making us more efficient, more capable, and more focused on the bigger picture. It's not about AI replacing human effort, but rather redirecting it toward areas where we can have the greatest impact. So, will AI make humanity lazy, or will it free us to become the best versions of ourselves? The answer lies in how we choose to use it. AI is a tool, and like any tool, its impact depends on how it's wielded. It has the potential to amplify our strengths, but it can also expose our weaknesses if we let it. The key is balance, finding ways to integrate AI into our lives without losing the skills, creativity, and resilience that make us human. If we approach AI thoughtfully and responsibly, It can be a partner in our evolution rather than a crutch that holds us back. But if we're not careful, the convenience it offers could lead to complacency. It's up to us to decide what role AI will play in our lives and whether it will empower us or make us overly dependent. This debate is far from over, and the future is unwritten. What do you think? Is AI a tool that will elevate humanity or a force that will lead to our complacency? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this discussion, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI Planet. I'm new here, and every subscription counts. Let's explore the future.